In this acrylic pouring step-by-step tutorial, I am putting some of our experiments that we have been conducting in the past couple of videos to the test. And let me tell you, everything that glitters isn't gold. So when I'm trying out a new color combination, I like to try it on a smaller substrate first. This color palette is not exactly new. If you've been following my channel, you have seen me use this a million times. However, I am using a glue, paint, and water combination for my gold cell activator. Yes, we are working with a double cell activator today, Oxide Black and Iridescent Gold, and I want to see what's going to happen. So what happens when your cell activator doesn't, well, activate? You can see that the black has done its job, thank you Outside Black, in creating cells, but the gold kind of is just sitting on top. All right, so instead of scrapping it, I'm going to show you what's going to happen, so stay tuned. Make sure you check out the video where I test 6 different cell activators. And yes, I am using one of those for my goal today, which is the glue, water, and paint. I was too chicken to try a black cell activator and a gold cell activator made with glue. So my Oxide Black is made with my Australian Floetrol mix.
Meh.
So I'm taking my straw here to see if I can bring more cells up, and as I get a little closer, you can see, well, my gold's not really doing much. The black is doing all the work here. Now, if you look closely to the left, you can see that some of the gold did give us a reaction, or it appears to have given us a reaction, and, well, not totally sure. So I really like to show y'all, you know, this is how you learn. You kind of just play with things, and maybe the glue and the paint and water recipe doesn't work for all colors. Just like regular cell activator, every color won't work in the spectrum. And so it's kind of a learning experience, but I'm gonna give you a little bit of a spoiler alert. Though the gold does not react, it has its place in this painting, and you will see at the end that, okay, maybe we can still work with this. So keep watching, and I'll keep talking a little bit later. So you can see that as we continue to stretch our cell activator out, some of those cells that were created either by the initial blowout or by the air bubbles popping do help to create the cells, and we were able to open them up. Now, remember, there's always going to be some failure and success in anything. I mean, success is nothing but failure turned inside out. So the gold cell activator kind of is a failure, but look how we paired it and we still made it work. So if you have some cell activator that's not working, you know, try doing it as a double cell activator with some activator that is working. And I'm really happy with these results. So now I am working on another cell activator video using different color paints so we can see if maybe there is just something very special about titanium white. Stay tuned. More coming. Keep sending me the things that you want to see. I am listening. But for now, check out these dry results. Yes, everything dried perfectly, just like we wanted it to. Remember, family, do everything with love. Treat your friends, your family, and even your enemies with love. Peace.